Always read through the instructions in the manual or watch this video in its entirety before attempting installation, and be sure to pause the video when necessary. Remove all packaging materials. Take a moment and become familiar with the components that came with your unit. Be careful not to pinch your fingers while assembling these parts. Insert the support pipe into the base. Once connected, the support pipe and base cannot be separated. Slide the charging station onto the top of the support pipe. Insert the battery into the auxiliary battery cradle in the charging station. Insert the power cable into the jack at the back of the charging station. Clip the cord into the cable hooks under the jack and near the bottom, by the base of the unit. Insert the battery into the cavity at the bottom of the vacuum underneath the handle. Attach the wand by sliding it onto the inlet on the floor or carpet nozzle until it clicks into place. Slide the other end of the wand onto the inlet on the product body until it clicks into place. To detach the wand, press the release button. Attach or detach the accessories to the end of the wand or the charging station in the same way. Choose a space where you would like to station the stick vacuum. Make sure it is clear of any debris or clutter and close to a dedicated power outlet. Plug the charging station into a dedicated power outlet. When the battery is fully charged, press the power button to turn the vacuum on in normal mode. The LG A9 Cord Zero stick vacuum can also be adjusted for your comfort level. To extend the wand, press the button on the back of the wand and slide out the pipe until it clicks into place at the desired length. The wand extends in 4 steps. The accessories can also be attached directly to the product body for use in tight spaces, in your car, or on the stairs. To swap the main battery to the auxiliary battery, press the tabs on both sides of the battery and pull the battery out. Make sure that the power adapter is connected to both the charging station and the power outlet. The battery indicator flashes when charging starts. The indicator will turn off when the battery is fully charged. Fully charging a single battery usually takes 3.5 hours. It will take twice as long to charge both the main and auxiliary batteries. Do not lean the vacuum against a wall or chair. The vacuum could fall and be damaged or cause an injury. Do not use the attachments to clean TVs, LCDs, or monitors, as they may scratch these surfaces. When not in use, the crevice and combination tools can be stored in the storage docks at the base of the charging station. When not in use, the vacuum should always be stored in the charging station.